Now, unlike the fried turkey that we did, we used the Cheshire's Creole style. This time we're going to make our own injection for this bird. This is equal amounts of butter. This is equal amounts of butter and bacon fat we just rendered yesterday. This is just over room temperature, enough so it's fluid. It's pretty much a half cup each. This is homemade chicken stock that we made a couple months ago. I want to put most of this in there too. This is my own seasoning blend, which is garlic powder, onion powder, and white pepper. That's 1 teaspoon. Then this is my own adobo powder I make, which is basically chili powder, garlic, onion, and cumin, 1 teaspoon. And this is cayenne. And no, I don't make this myself yet. And that's how I make my own injection, or this one anyway. I don't have a name for it or anything. So I want to inject this guy. I bought one of these a while back, and I just love this injector. Of course, you can find a link to it in the description. It's a stainless steel. It gives you some good leverage when you're injecting. Now remember, this was that butter, bacon, chicken stock, and seasonings. So since I got holes all the way up, I don't have to do quite as much. You can see that the breast almost swell up. It's all big pocket of good seasoning. And what's not going to taste better with just a little bit of bacon grease. Look at there. Alright, so I think that guy's done. We're going to give a little squirt to the leg. Thigh. All right.